Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Computer Classes by Rachna. We are talking about NLP and its detailed steps for data processing today. So we have already discussed in the previous video the various steps of NLP. So these are the various steps of NLP: lexical analysis, syntactic analysis, semantic analysis, discourse integration, and pragmatic analysis. To know more about these steps, kindly look at the video that I posted previously. Now I will discuss the difference between syntax and semantic of a language. What is a syntax? The proper arrangement of words in a sentence or a statement makes the syntax. The way we have the rules in grammar in English, the same way we have to check the rules, the arrangement of the words in the sentence, is it correct or not. The boy, the go to school, it is wrong, so it is syntactically incorrect sentence, so syntactic analyzer will not consider it correct. So semantic means the meaning. So first thing we check that the sentence is syntactically, grammatically correct, and the second is semantic. We check the meaning of the sentence by finding meaning of the words of the sentence individually and then creating a proper message which the sentence is communicating. So this is the meaning of sentence and semantic, and this is very important as far as natural language processing is concerned. Why? Because the machine recognizes the sentences or given in the text, or the machine understands whatever we speak. The spoken sentences are also recognized and understood by the machine, but it's not easy for the machine because we have been living in this world and since childhood we have been learning English and the sentences and their meanings. So if I have this example, his future is very bright. So here we do not mean the bright scorching sun, we mean the future is very good. And the second sentence is today's sun is very bright, so that means the sun is shining bright today. So these two words have different meanings in different sentences. It's easy for us to understand it, but it's not easy for a machine to make out the differences given in these two sentences. So to make the machine understand things completely, we need to perform the data processing, and there are different steps for that. Alright, so natural language processing makes it possible for the machine to understand and speak in the natural languages just like humans, and for that we need to perform the data processing. So making the computer understand natural language is a complex process. We first need to understand that humans interact using alphabets and sentences and machines interact using numbers. As discussed in my previous video also, that machines understand only the machine language which is zeros and ones. So whatever we are typing or whatever we are speaking gets converted into zeros and ones and then only goes into the machine. To make the machine learn and process a sentence in terms of numbers, we first need to follow the pre-processing stage of NLP, which we will study in detail, and that would be taken as an input by the machine in the form of numbers. So first of all, let's discuss the document. A document is a collection of text object which makes up our corpus. So what is corpus first of all? Let's say there are different sentences given. Each sentence will be called as a document, and collection of all those documents or sentences would form a corpus. Alright, now we talk about the text normalization. So this is a process of data cleaning. We clean the textual data by converting it into the standard form. So that's the pre-processing stage of NLP. It is the first thing which is done before actual data processing. So data processing is done, and before data processing we need to do normalization of text. The text normalization means that we need to reduce the complexity of the language, and for that we remove all the slangs, short forms, misspelled words, abbreviations, special meaning to the characters which we give, everything has to be removed and we bring it to a canonical standard form. Okay, so canonical form means standard form. Example, you can see this, that we have the word before here, and there are different people who write down before in different ways. Somebody would write down B and then capital B followed by numeric 4. Some will write down incorrect spelling, and some might write down just like this. So there are different ways that people would be writing the short forms. So we need to convert all those short forms into the actual word, which is standard word, and this is known as canonical forms. Then sometimes people write tomorrow like this, or maybe like this, or maybe like this. So it has to be converted into the correct word, which is tomorrow. Alright. Then you can see between or by the way. So some people use it for between, some people use it for by the way. So you have to check what is the actual meaning and you have to bring it to the canonical form. Then we have, so by the way, BTW, TY, thank you, GM, good morning. Some people also use good morning like this. So we have to check, there are different words, what would be their actual meaning, and that would be the canonical form. So short forms for great are these, we need to convert it into the normalized form. Okay, so this is normalization of text so that it can be used like proper textual format. So the whole textual data of all the documents together is called as a corpus. Now using this textual data, we will do the steps, for data processing. So data processing steps, the first step for data processing is sentence segmentation. The second step of data processing is tokenization. Alright. Then the third step is removing the stop words, special characters and numbers. The third step is removing stop words, special characters and numbers. Alright. Then we move to the fourth step. The fourth step is converting the text into a common case. Step 5 is stemming. I will be explaining each of them. Then we have the step 6. The step 6 is lemmatization. Alright, and after this we have the different techniques of NLP. So data processing steps include the 6 steps followed by your different techniques of NLP, bag of words or TF-IDF or NLTK. So I will be doing till the TF-IDF. So after explaining this text normalization, I will be explaining all these steps in the coming videos, small videos in which every video will explain one single step. Alright, so keep checking these videos, view all of them to get the complete detail. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel if you understand things. Thank you.